we have completed Old English period. So now it is time for entering into the Middle English period. Middle English period is a vast timeline. So before venturing into Middle English period, we have to divide it in different parts so that the reading procedure or learning procedure will be easy. Okay, no one starts in a day or a year. Suddenly one day Old English period terminated and the Middle English period spouted out from the soil of history. It is not possible. Yet for political convenience, we have to demarcate different periods in some way. And we take the Norman Conquest 1066 as the inauguration mark of the Middle English period. So in 1066, when William of Normandy came into Britain and defeated Harold and get the kingdom, it began Middle English period. Because from then on, French overpowered England. And so from that name, Duke of Normandy or Norman rule, it is called Anglo-Norman period. So we can divide Middle English period in three parts. Anglo-Norman period from 1066 to 1340. And then the age of Chaucer. Chaucer is the most renowned and remarkable writer of Middle English. And for his excellency, this period from 1340 to 1400 is called Age of Chaucer. And after Chaucer's death, that age we can tell 1400 to 1500, after Chaucer or dawn of Renaissance or age of revival. Actually, it is called a dark age because no significant literary flourishment or anything happened during this time in literary era. But we can say that it is the dawn of Renaissance. Actually, it is the preparation ground for Renaissance. So we can define Middle English period in three phases. Age of Chaucer, first Anglo-Saxon Anglo-Norman period from 1066 to 1340. Then age of Chaucer from 1340 to 1400. And finally, the dawn of Renaissance and the age of revival or after Chaucer, whatever. So from 1066 to 1500, this long time we included in Middle English period. We often distinguish the Middle English period in two parts also. Anglo-Norman period and age of Chaucer. That after age of Chaucer that we divided in previous section, which sometimes some historians and some writers don't like this division because they say that after the Chaucer's death, the age cannot stop suddenly because Chaucer's influence was working even in the then British soil. So an age cannot suddenly come to an end with the death of the author. So even after Chaucer's death, his influence pervaded in literary world. So in that sense, we can divide the Middle English period in two terms. Anglo-Norman period from 1066 to 1340 and age of Chaucer from 1340 to 1500. The effect of the Renaissance was mostly observed afterwards during the Elizabethan period in the hands of great writers like university wits, Shakespeare, Sidney and Spencer. So many persons and don't like the concept of dividing this period in dawn of Renaissance or age of revival. They just like to divide it in two parts. Now, in this respect, we can divide the Middle English period into two parts. As I have told you before, Anglo-Norman period, that is 1066 and from 1340 and age of Chaucer from 1340 to 1500. Even we can divide the time period as Anglo-Norman period or from Chaucer to Turtle's Miscellany. Then we have to go through 1557 when Turtle's Miscellany was published. We enter into the Elizabethan period. Okay, so in this various form we can divide Middle English period for our better understanding and better way of reading. Anyway, the history of literature is linear progress where time and concept changes according to the new observation and invention. It is an ever shifting paradigm. So in our next video, we will start with Anglo-Norman period that included in the Middle English period and its different political and social scenario, its literature and its language development. Okay, till now, thank you.